tayo ma-educate habang bata, habang may trabaho, para alam natin kung saan natin ilalagay yung yung mga earnings natin. Masarap naman magbiyahe, masarap mag-indulge into uh, uh, laging nagko-coffee or laging namamasyal. So I just want to be part of yung aspect natin na magse-set aside tayo ng magse-set aside tayo ng funds either for ourselves, no, kung single tayo, or if we are a parent, para sa anak natin. And I would want to work on a case like my niece who called me or who called my attention the other day, no. Sobrang busy naman kaya hindi ko basta maharap at ma-evaluate kasi nagkasunod-sunod kasi yung check-ups nila na